Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay cash on delivery on Temu. Temu is an online shopping platform that offers a wide range of products and allows customers to pay for their purchases using various methods, including cash on delivery. To start, you need to create an account on Temu if you do not already have one. Go to the Temu website or download the Temu app and sign up by providing the required information. Once your account is set up, you can start browsing the products available on the platform. When you find a product you want to purchase, click on it to view its details. Check the product description, price, and reviews from other customers. If you are satisfied with the product, click the Add to Cart button to proceed with the purchase. After adding the product to your cart, click on the Checkout button to proceed with the payment. You will be asked to select a payment method, and this is where you choose cash on delivery. Select the cash on delivery option and confirm your order. Once you have confirmed your order, Temu will send you an email with the order details, including the total cost and the expected delivery time. When the delivery person arrives with your package, you can pay for it in cash. Make sure you have the exact amount, as the delivery person may not have change. It is essential to note that cash on delivery is only available for certain products and in specific areas. Before you make a purchase, check if cash on delivery is available for your location and the product you want to buy. In conclusion, paying cash on delivery on Temu is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can purchase products on Temu and pay for them in cash when they are delivered to your doorstep. Remember to check the availability of cash on delivery for your location and the product you want to buy before making a purchase.